Hi, my name is Nam Yong Cho.
Hi, I'm Lisa Kodadek, trauma surgeon at Yale in New Haven, Connecticut, and member of EAST. And Nam is a student here with us today for the Medical Student EAST Member Mentorship Program. And we have had an incredible afternoon. He is a fascinating young person, and I am so excited I got the chance to talk to him today and get to know him a little bit more. How's the day been for you?
It's been great. I want to thank the East Committee for matching me with Dr. Kodadek as a mentor, a mentee at this meeting. As a medical student who's interested in trauma surgery, I had a fortunate time to learn from her personal experience as well as her career pathway and research interest. The East Conference is a good opportunity for medical students to attend, to learn from the research talks, and also meet with mentors like Dr. Kodadek.
I gotta say though that Nam doesn't really need my help. He was already on the lectern today, delivering his original science to the East community, and he did an amazing job. I am so proud that I got the chance to learn more about him and his path to trauma. It's amazing. He was deployed in Afghanistan. He was a paratrooper. He has served our country in ways that I am so thankful for. Thank you for your service, and I cannot wait to see where your career goes. You are going to be a star in this organization, and I can at least say that I knew you when you were a student.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Kodadek.